So stoked. Keen. We in the helicopter and this is so cool. Yes, it is. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the weekend venture. Today is in fact not actually a weekend, it's actually Tuesday today. Today is the 21st of June 2016, which is my 20th birthday. And I thought I'd make a video to document this day so one day in the future I can look back and laugh at myself for making a video like this. So yeah, that's why I'm documenting today, but there's also really cool adventures coming up today. We're going on a helicopter ride. That is so awesome. I've never been on a helicopter before. So the people over at NAC Helicopters Cape Town have asked me to come take a few photos for them and shoot a video of my day for them. So we're doing that later on, but right now we're going for some breakfast. Morning. How are you?
Happy birthday to you.
So cold. What's the temperature today? 4 degrees Celsius. Nice. What's on the menu?
Me and you.
Cheers. That was good. Bar one chocolate cake. Cake, 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 cake. Get in there, cake. Was your breakfast good?
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Okay, so now we are going home again for like an hour. Then we're going off to Camps Bay to meet up with my dad to have lunch. And then going on the helicopter. Take the cake. I got the cam. 100%. Okay, we are leaving now and I've just been checking for like 10 minutes that I actually have everything. Have all my batteries, my straps, the tripods, everything, memory cards. Otherwise that's going to be a problem because you only get one helicopter ride. This is my first helicopter ride ever, so I don't want to forget anything. So leaving house now to go to Camps Bay for lunch with my dad. There is no one yet. Thank you very much. How's your pizza? Hello, Dad. Hello, Dean. I don't understand why pizzas are always so good. Bye. See you later, Dad. Bye. Thanks for lunch. Going to the waterfront now to look at shops. What's happening? So right now we are in H&M in the waterfront, busy getting some nothing. Looking for clothes, but we're getting nothing, so what's the point of being here? I don't shop, so that's why I don't know. This is what I'm wearing to my 21st party. You can take your car. Okay, I'll go in my car. Okay, cool. Just going in a Maserati quick. Okay, so I'll probably touch this and the alarm will go off. Open the bit. Let's go in the Polo rather. Okay, we have arrived at NAC Helicopters Cape Town and feel the adrenaline coming right now. I got the helicopters in the background there, ready to go. I'm really excited though. Just don't want to die, but should be all good. How are you feeling, Chelsea? Chelsea's feeling a bit anxious at the moment, but anyway, there are the helicopters. Don't know if we're going on that one or the small one down there, but should be good either way. Here is the helicopter company that we are going with. There he is. How you doing? Good. Happy birthday. Hello.
Hi guys, how are you?
Good, thanks, and you?
Fine, thank you. Hi there, hi there. That's you?
Okay, so we're about to go on the helicopter now, and obviously you're not going to hear anything except the helicopter, so I'm going to take the mic off now and start the cinematic sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Thanks so much.
What's that, guys?
Felt like a dream.
Was it cool?
Very cool.
Thanks very much for coming through.
Thank you. Oh, that was so amazing. How was it, Mom?
Awesome.
Chelsea, how was it?
Amazing.
Amazeballs. Definitely recommend that to anyone that comes to Cape Town. So if you're in Cape Town, check out NHC helicopters, because it was like, you have to do that if you come to Cape Town. It was amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. Just you would have seen the footage.
There's a bird behind you.
With the vlog. Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just come for a beer now after the cool helicopter ride. How was that, Matthew?
Too short, but it was fantastic.
Felt like a dream.
It was amazing. It was probably the best thing I've ever done in my whole entire life.
So yeah, if you're in Cape Town, definitely.
Definitely helicopters. Oh, the coolest. Lady was so nice, that's all.
We are done. Goodbye, Matthew. Why is it? Oh, it's on.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Okay, cheers. That was a good ride.
Enjoy the birthday party.
Thank you. Will do. See you soon.
Things.
Make all the things. Cheers. Anyway, we are back home. Family are coming around now. It is 20 to 7 right now. They're coming at 7, so I'm gonna end the vlog here today. Anyway, that was such an awesome day. I really couldn't have asked for anything better for my 20th birthday. I mean, a helicopter ride over Cape Town. It felt like a dream, literally. So again, I highly recommend it. Amazing experience, and it was just a really great day in general. Thank you again for watching. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.